my name's Arabi. I'm a second year biology. I'm a resident here on campus from Oklahoma.
I'm Kyle Ferguson. I'm from Williamsburg, Pennsylvania. I'm a third year student.
I am Ray. I'm from South Jersey. I'm a resident on campus. I'm a nursing major.
My name is Katherine Joyce. I am a second year English major here at Penn State Schuylkill. I'm a commuter.
Small campus vibe really drew me in, and then how it felt like more of a community when I got here, because when you go on tour, the students are doing the tours. A lot of the teachers are involved. Teachers come up to you, instructing.
Get involved in stuff very easily, and everybody's very welcoming here. So you don't have to worry about not knowing people or people not vibing with you. You're not going to be in very large class sizes, so they'll get to know you on a personal level. I had my one teacher. She recommended me into a different major because of how I was performing in her class, because I want to go into sports management.
So Co-op here at Penn State Schuylkill allows students to get a resume and job experience before you actually get your degree, just so you have an idea of where you want to go and what you want to do. I was able to do an internship at the Penn State Schuylkill coroner's office over a semester, and I was able to pick up cadavers, extract 3 main fluids from the body, and do gunpowder residue examining and full body analysis. I became a medical examiner or forensic pathologist, so that basically introduced me into the world of the deceased and allowed me to see that I really do want to do that for the rest of my life, whereas other students have had similar experiences and found that that wasn't the career for them and were able to pivot from that and find an experience that worked with them.
Presented at a undergraduate research symposium, which was with a couple different Penn State campuses, and MDs and bio and all of these different categories of undergraduate research across the eastern area of our state. And I got to present my work, and that was currently on female piracy, and I actually won first place in the humanities category.